After she found out, she joined the same ones I did. Basically, everything I did, she copied eventually. It's really creepy, but I haven't said anything. I wouldn't even know what to say. Over the Easter break, my friend and I were at my family's house. We were a bit drunk and decided to test out whether Kaya really copied everything I did. I made a post on social media about shaving my head. My friend does hairdressing and she helped me out by faking a shaved head, and I posted a photo with it. I deleted the photo a few days later and forgot about the whole thing. After Easter break was over, we had exams and I was focusing on that. Imagine my shock when I came back and Kaya had a shaved head. And she was pissed when she saw me. She started shouting about how I lied to her and why I would do that to her. Admittedly, I ignored her and hid in my room. She sent me a text telling me that she expects me to pay for her wig as it's my fault she shaved her head. I replied that absolutely not, that it was not my fault, and she decided on her own to do that. She kept attacking me over it every time I saw her. My exams start tomorrow, and yesterday I received an email from my university, asking me for a meeting about the issue. She reported me to the university over something she's done. I am genuinely confused. Was I really in the wrong?